Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, my name is Esther Moffrey. In today's video, I want to show you the power of alignment, time frame alignment. And in this case, you need all the 4 time frames alignment so that you can be comfortable when to hold. Guys, you need to understand that in every trader, you need to know 5 things. Number 1, when to buy, when to buy. Number 2, when to sell, Number 3, when to hold. Number 4, when to exit. Number 5 is when to avoid. When to avoid. Guys, if you're watching this and you're not confident with the 5 things, I guess this is where you need to start. So you need to know, when do I buy the market? When do I sell? When to hold, when to exit, when to avoid. Today we are speaking about when to hold. When do you hold, or how do you think swing traders, they are very confident when it comes to their analysis? What makes a swing trader very confident that they can hold a market 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, a year? What makes these people hold the market? So if you're interested to know how to hold, how to know when to hold, continue watching. So guys, I'll give you a good example with Euro JPY. I'll give you an example with Euro JPY. And I believe after this video, you will have learned so many things. I believe you will have learned so many things. So let's get into the video. So Euro JPY, we'll start with the monthly. Number 1 thing, if you want to know when to hold, of course, you need time frame alignment. So when to hold is as a result of when to hold equals 4 time frames alignment. Time frame alignment. So when to hold equals 4 time frames alignment. So, and in this case, the time frames that we have, of course, it's monthly, and then we have weekly, and then we have daily, and then we have 4 hour. So you need to understand that if at all I want to come and hold in a certain market, I need to know my time frame alignment. And something I've come to observe is that you might hold the market that has already given a confirmation using monthly time frame. Yes, it has not aligned on weekly, daily, 4 hour. There is no alignment on weekly, daily, 4 hour. Still, you're qualified to hold. Guys, I hope that point you have gotten it clearly. If you find that on monthly, if you find that on monthly there's a confirmation, but the confirmation is not yet on weekly, daily, 4 hour, you can enter one position as you hold, waiting for weekly, daily, and 4 hour to align. But guys, you cannot do vice versa. There's no way you can find a setup on 4 hour. You have not checked daily. Daily has not aligned. Weekly has not aligned. Monthly has not aligned. And then you think of holding. That is the take home. So you can find a market or a structure on monthly, and you can say, maybe this is a double top, a confirmed double top. I can maybe get in with 1 position, you see? So at the end of the day, I will sell as I wait for the 3 time frames to align. So in this case, Euro JPY, what do we have on Euro JPY? You can see we have a possible double top. You can see how we have that possible double top. This is monthly, guys. We have a possible double top on monthly. So in this case, we just need to be sure, is a sell confirmed? Because double tops gives us a sell confirmation. So possible double top. So do we have a confirmation on this double top? Guys, if you need a confirmation, I use WBB strategy. So that's my double top. This is my neckline, guys. So that's my neckline. And then we have to know the half. you have to know the half. So that is the half, guys. You can see, I just need to know, do I have an alignment or confirmation? Alignment first, it is not of question at this moment. The only thing I need to know, do I have a confirmation? Anytime you're trading double top, anytime you're trading double bottom, you use WBP. So we wait for the red candle, and the red candle is not an engulf. So what do? You place a box like that. And then we waited for another month, and on December, the market broke that box, giving us a WBB confirmation. So from monthly perspective, Euro JPY is a strong sell. It is going to sell how many pips? It's going to sell how many pips? 974. 74. So anyone who is a swing trader, from the banks, from institute, from retail traders with big accounts, already they are in a sell position on Euro JPY. Now, if at all you want to be a swing trader and you don't have a lot of capital, or you are preservative, you just want to be given is a discounted price, that's when alignment comes in place. Because yes, monthly can give us a sell, but it can take another 3 months before this sell goes down. So the market, you can never predict how long the market can go to TP, because take profit is here. So we cannot dictate. It will take 1 week, 1 month, 1 year. This market can take a whole year. I'm very curious to know, because today is January, and how long will it take for this double top to be respected? Will it take 1 month? I'm very, very curious to know. And once I get the data, I'll come back with this video and show you guys. So on monthly, we have the alignment, but we have the confirmation of a sell. But now what we need for those people with small accounts, and that's why I say, if you want to hold, Euro JPY is on a sell. There's no doubt about it. If you want to get in right at this moment, it is on a sell. There's no doubt about it. But alignment is what makes many people doubt the analysis. So and that's where now you go to weekly. If I go to weekly, I don't have the same double top that I'm seeing. There's no double top. Like, go and check clearly. The double top is not even visible. Like, it was not visible, because if I put my line there, you can see clearly the market never touched. So on weekly, we don't have any double top. What do we have on weekly, guys? So let me remove this box and remove this. And now we want to know what is happening on weekly. What do we have on weekly? Guys, if you can spot a double bottom, a possible double bottom, can you spot it? So on weekly does not care about double top. And this is a different house. We have moved from monthly. Monthly, it is a sell, period. If you want to enter, hold, and it can take you so much drawdown, but monthly they have declared it is a sell. But when it comes to Euro JPY weekly, we can't see the same double top, but we can see a possible double bottom. And in this case, this double bottom, we can just measure half. We have our half there, and we have our neckline. And you can see it's evident that the half has been tested so many times. You can see the first week, then the market dropped. The second week, the market is now dropping. Like, the half has been tested so many times, like for 3-4 weeks, the market has been tested there. But we cannot say this market will sell. What if you sell immediately, and then as you observe, the market breaks the half? What can you do? If now you sell according to monthly, but weekly we have a possible double bottom, and eventually the market break half, the market will continue to go to the neckline, maybe to make a double top on weekly. So at the end of the day, when to hold, you need the 4 alignment. Because if you're worrying of a drawdown of 944 pips, if your account can't hold 944 pips, you better wait for the 4 alignments. And this is what makes many people don't understand, because you need the 4 alignments for your account to be safe. But for those people with big account, already Euro JPY, they are sell, because from monthly perspective, it is a sell, and that's what makes different. Like the swing traders, they just take monthly and they get in. So in this case, we have a double bottom. We have a possible double bottom here. So let me write it for you so that you can see. We have a possible double bottom. So we have that possible double bottom. And then we have the neckline over there. So we have the neckline and the half. So when you want to enter sell on Euro JPY according to weekly time frame, you need to ask yourself, am I supported by weekly? Is weekly aligning? I hope this video will help you because many people do this mistake. So that's our half, guys. So unless the market, and if you have a possible double bottom, how do you want the market to align with monthly? It's very simple. We would want to see a failed double bottom. If we get a failed double bottom, guys, what do you think failed double bottom gives? It gives an inverted cup and handle. So if we get a failed double bottom, we'll get an inverted cup and handle. So what we are looking at something like this. We are looking at something where the sellers will be so powerful, they break that double bottom. You see, when sellers now break this double bottom, what we'll have an inverted head, cup and handle. And the distance we can draw, this is the distance that you want the market to drop to. So that's the distance. And then we bring this distance around there. So if we measure half, So our target, our first target will be there. So that's our first target. And this is what we want to see on weekly. A failed double bottom, sorry. And we want to see this double bottom, like we want alignment if you at all we have to enter on Euro JPY. So unless we get alignment, there's nothing we are doing. And then if you flip on daily, we still have the same double bottom. And guys, I told you, if you ever have the same double bottom on different time frames, of course, we don't want breaking on daily. Because if we get a break on daily, by the time weekly is confirming we get maybe a week or something, it won't be valid. But we want this candle not to be on daily, but to be on weekly. And because they have the same pattern, our eyes are on weekly. So the second thing that I want to see from this market is to see a candle breaking that double bottom. So guys, if you're watching me, I don't want to take much of your time. Euro JPY is a good pair to see and to watch and to know and to understand how alignment happens. So this should be in your watch list. You should watch it every week. Come back. Now what you're watching is, will they break here? Will they break and violate that double bottom, or will they break half and give us an indication that the market is about to go up before it comes down? If you want to sell according to monthly, be ready to be taken a drawdown of more than 1,000 pips. Are you ready? Because if you put 001, that's like negative $100. If you're ready, because I have to prepare you. Swing trading, you have to know, what if the market retraces? How far will it retrace? So guys, alignment of time frames gives you the power to hold. So if you have been asking your question, how do I become a swing trader? All you need is alignment. And the best alignment, guys, I'll do another video on this. The best two alignments that you ever need in your trading journey is monthly and weekly. Daily, you can deal with it. You can deal with it. But monthly and weekly, if they have aligned, you're good to go. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Love you so much. Until next time. Bye-bye. Love you.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get